Party people, so today we have an iPhone 11 with no touch. The screen is cracked, back glass is slightly broken. The customer only wants the screen replaced, so let's go ahead and get this started. We couldn't do our standard testing beforehand because of the no touch, so we're just still going to proceed with the repair. Still has the original screen, so I'm going to go ahead and do the IC transfer for him as well. Disconnect the battery. Okay, so I've gone ahead and installed the new screen. I haven't gone through the IC transfer process, just because I want to make sure that touch is working and it's not going to have a 3-minute restart. I'm also going to run it through ASC2 MRI right now, just to make sure nothing else needs to be addressed, like the battery or anything else. For now, we're doing the diagnostics on the new screen.
We're all banging on her door and asking if she's okay.
There you go, that passed. And then so you guys see the MRI. Right now we haven't done the IC transfer yet. So this is all the original information. And then we're gonna do the test that checks for ghost touching. So I've gone ahead and run the unexpected touch test, and that passed as well. Boom. So no issues with ghost touching. The screen is good. I did run the Face ID test, and it's saying camera Face ID sensor check can't be run because it cannot support a detected dog. So the way that test works is we put on this little chair, and if there's an issue with the charging port, like there's dirt trapped or charging port's not working, it's not going to detect the dog, therefore it's not going to run the test. So first thing we're going to do is we're still going to go ahead and go with the IC transfer replacement, but then we're also going to clean up the speaker grills and the charging port, see if that resolves that issue. Alright, stay put, guys. Alright, so we've added the display adhesive, and now we've done the display IC transfer. Now we're gonna start putting it back together. Where is my, here we go. You can see, I can see the lint coming out right there. Alright, so now that the repair is complete, I went ahead and after the cleaning, ran the Face ID test, and as you can see, that passed. And then I also ran the audio test, and that passed as well. And if we check here in view details, you can see all the mics and speakers are good. This phone is good to go. If you guys need this particular repair done, go ahead and send us a DM, happy to help, or call us at 661-607-9165. Thanks, guys. Have a wonderful day.